Hi! In front of me is tablet DELL RUGGED 7220 Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on this little bell on the left. Now to add a new alarm, select this plus at the bottom right corner. Then adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on Alarm. Label it however you wish to, if you wish to. And when you finished, click on Days of the week that you wish to apply. Now tap on this little note and click on the best alarm sound for you to apply it. Like for example, tap. Last but not least, click on this bell with these and apply the best option for you. When you finished, hit Saved next to Cancel in the pop-up at the bottom left corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To switch it off completely, tap on blue switcher next to it. You can switch it back on the same way. In order to make some changes, click on this pen next to plus at the bottom right corner and then tap on your alarm. Change wherever you want to and select Save. To delete it though, select this bin at the top right corner after clicking the pen as well. And confirm your choice by hitting this check mark. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!